In this video, we are going to learn something new for digital SAT, which is percentage. So we know about something about percentage, which is the change, the percent of change is equal to new number minus original number by original number into 100. And if we have you have to change 30 to 50. What is the change? How can we find the change? So the percent of change is new number, which is 50, minus old number divided by old number into 100 in percentage. By this, we get 20 by 30 into 100, we get 200 by 3, and which is equal to, by using calculator, 66.7, which is the percentage in change. Another question is, if we change 110 to 80, what is the percentage of change? We already know the formula, that the percentage change is new number minus old number divided by old number into 100. So this is minus 30 by 110 into 100. If we calculate this, we will get 300 by 11. If we use the calculator here, we get minus of 27.3 percentage. This is called the percentage in change. Let's do some another questions. You can try first, then I will tell the questions. Change these questions. First question is 70 minus 40 divided by 40 into 100. And the second question is, we firstly do the first question, then we will do the second question. So we will get 30 by 40 into 100, and we get 75%. Let's use some another colors to describe more beautifully. 90 to 50. Let's change this question. So the percentage of change is 50 by minus 90 by 90 into 100. So the answer will be minus 40 by 90 into 100, which is equal to the percentage of change. If we use the calculator, we'll get minus of 44 point something. Now, let's make a box. Um, let's change percentage into decimals. Let's grab example which is 85%. What we have to do is, uh, We have to make point to this sentence to place to the order. We'll get 0.85. This is change percentage into decimals. Another example we'll take 64%. If we change it, we'll get 0.64. So can you do this question, which is 2.5 percentage? Let's try. If we have to change the two places, we'll get 0.025. This is the decimal form. Let's get some more example to learn the concept more deeply. We'll have 275% change in the decimal form, 8% change in the decimal form, 12.3% change in the decimal form, and we have 4.2% change in the decimal form. And my last example is 0.2% change in the decimal form. Let's do this question. So firstly we have 27.5. If we change into the decimal, we know that we have to place the point of before 2, so we'll get 2.75, and another will be 0.08, another will be point, we'll note that there is, let's grab another pen color, 1, 2, 3, and we'll get 0.042, and next question is 0.002. Let's do some another question which I want to ask to you guys. Hope you can do this questions easily. Get on the page to these types of questions. Let's do the good color. Maybe blue something. Yeah, blue is great. So my first question will be, what is 30% of 90? So remember, if you get this type of questions in your digital set, if you remember the one formula, you can do the another method which is unitary method. Let's first do unitary method. If we know 90, we know the 10% of 90, which is, let's get another, yeah, which is 9, and 30% of 9 will get 9 times 3, which is 27. And another question, we'll do this question by another method which is called formula method. We know the formula, which is way.